Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter the 6th. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile... At last, my 80 Hexatron droid Formagon is complete. Okay, Bob, I need you to scan this comic. Now go find the kid who made it. And so... Well, I should have known. Don't just stand there, get him! And so...
Oh, hi, Papa.
Don't call me Papa.
Where's Dogman?
Dogman isn't here.
Dogman is my friend. Dogman saved me from a bunch of weirdos. Dogman goes, grrrr.
Would you cut that out? 2 hours later...
And then these weird guys wanted to dye my fur pink. So Dogman goes, grrrr. And Dogman goes, and Dogman steered him away. Then...
Enough about Dogman!
Hey look, it's Dogman!
Watch and learn, kid. Petey, the world's most smartest cat, proudly presents the true story of Dogman. La la la, duh, hi, I'm Dogman. I'm a big dummy. I like to chase cars and drink out of the toilet. It's not funny! Duh, I gotta go sniff other dogs' butts and roll around in duck poop and go take stupid lessons so I can be... It's not funny! Oh, look who's here. It's Petey. Look at me. I'm so smart. I'm totally cool. I built awesome robots and other cool stuff. I'm gonna rule the world one day.
Hey, do Dogman again.
No, Dogman is dumb. Petey is a genius. He's so cool and awesome and handsome. Everybody wants to be like Petey. Just look at that physique. Those massive pecs. Those abs of steel. Those distinctive high cheekbones. You know, if I weren't so modest, I'd... Hey! Meanwhile...
Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sarah. How's it going? Woo! Oh no, we'll be right over. What's the problem, Dogman?
Lost kitties. If found, call cops.
Come on, let's make some copies and spread them around.
Well, what should we do with this dead fish thingy?
Let's get rid of it. We don't want it stinking up the place.
Okay. 2 points. Aw, man.
Uh-oh. That fish's bionic claw punctured the living spray tank. Pretty soon, the whole factory will fill up with living spray.
What should we do now?
Run!